Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a professional looking website using Figma AI step by step. The first thing you need to do is visit the official Figma website and create a free account. If you already have one, simply click log in and enter your email and password. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Figma dashboard where all your projects are stored. Now click New Design File. Inside the editor, look for the AI option. Depending on your version, it may appear as Figma AI, AI Assistant, or inside the toolbar. Click it to open the AI panel. This is where the magic begins. Instead of designing everything manually, simply describe the website you want. For example, create a modern landing page for an AI startup with a hero section, pricing cards, testimonials, a call to action button, and a clean blue and white color scheme. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result will be. Mention your business type, preferred colors, layout, style, and even the audience you're targeting. AI uses these details to generate a complete website layout in seconds. Once the design appears, don't stop there. Click on any section to customize it. You can change the text, replace images, edit colors, update fonts, rearrange sections, and even ask AI to regenerate specific parts if something doesn't match your vision. Need another page? Simply ask Figma AI to create an About page, Contact page, Pricing page, or blog section. It keeps the same design style, making your entire website look consistent and professional. When you're happy with the design, review everything carefully. Make sure your headings are clear, buttons are easy to find, and the spacing looks clean. A polished design always creates a better first impression. Finally, click Share to collaborate with your team or export to download your design. If you're planning to turn it into a live website, you can hand the design to a developer or use supported tools that convert Figma designs into working websites. And that's how you can build a stunning website with Figma AI, without being a designer or writing a single line of code. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of website you want to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.